Question 1. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, C. Satish Dhawan, D. APJ Abdul Kalam. The correct answer is D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man of India, was a prominent scientist and the 11th President of India. Question 2. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai, D. New Delhi. The correct answer is D. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. It was officially inaugurated as the capital on February 13, 1931, replacing Calcutta, now Kolkata. New Delhi is the seat of all three branches of the Government of India. Question 3. Who discovered the electron? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. J. Thomson, D. Niels Bohr. The correct answer is C. J. Thomson. The electron was discovered by J. Thomson in 1897 during his experiments with cathode rays. This discovery was pivotal in understanding the structure of the atom. Question 4. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Yamuna. The correct answer is C. Kaveri. The Kaveri is also known as the Dakshin Ganga or the Ganga of the South. The Kaveri, also known as the Kaveri, is a river in India that flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Question 5. Who is the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Mother Teresa, C. Kalpana Chawla, D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is B. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work with the Missionaries of Charity. Question 6. What is the chemical symbol for water? A. H2O, B. CO2, C. O2, D. NaCl. The correct answer is A. H2O. The chemical symbol for water is H2O. It consists of two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to one oxygen atom. Question 7. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Rabindranath, Tagore, B. Bankim, Chandra Chatterjee, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. It was first sung in 1911 and adopted as the national anthem in 1950. Question 8. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Correct answer is C. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a diameter of about 184 kilometers and is known for its great red spot, a giant storm. Question 9. Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? A. Homi Bhabha, B. Vikram Sarabhai, C. Satish Dhawan, D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer is B. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of the Indian space program. He founded ISRO and was instrumental in establishing India's space research initiatives. Question 10. What is the national animal of India? A. Lion, B. Elephant, C. Tiger, D. Peacock. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी टाइगर। द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया इज द बंगाल टाइगर, जिसको पैंथेरा टिग्रिस के रूप में भी जानते हैं। इट सिंबलाइजेस स्ट्रेंथ, एजिलिटी एंड पावर।